You had me at eat.
Now, it's gonna take a little while to work, so just relax and...
Hey, it worked! I magically sneezed out my cold!
Unfortunately, you magically sneezed it right onto me. I better conjure up more Gesundheit loaf. A loaf of Kazam!
You may not want to eat that.
Oh no, this cold has infected my magic.
Are you okay, Bread Maker?
Yeah, you hit the wall pretty hard there.
I'm in deep trouble, brochachos. The common cold is my one true weakness. It gets my magic all stuffed up. If I don't get more Gesundheit loaf fast, the next sneeze could blast me into a million pieces.
Don't worry, Bread Maker. We'll find more Gesundheit loaf down here in the bread mines. We will not let you get got by your own snot.
Thank you, my ducklings. But I suggest you hurry.
Roger that.
Be back in a quack.